the Power Platform has been taking the world by storm and has empowered millions of people to create more every day. So here's a quick poem to honor the Power Platform.
In the realm of digital might, where possibilities align, there's a platform that empowers a force so refined.
Microsoft's creation with capabilities vast, behold the Power Platform, a feature unpassed.
With Power Apps as its cornerstone, creativity takes flight. Building apps with ease, your ideas brought to the light.
Flowing alongside, Power Automate takes the lead.
Automating tasks and processes with remarkable speed.
Power BI then steps forth, its visual prowess revealed, data transformed into insights like secrets unconcealed.
But behold, Power Virtual Agents now appear, conversational guides bringing answers near.
Lastly, Power Pages grace this poetic tale.
Web portals crafted stories to unveil.
But the true magic emerges when these powers unite. The power, the potential, shining ever so bright.
The Power Platform intertwines like a symphony's embrace, creating solutions profound with elegance and grace.
From businesses large to ventures yet small, the Power Platform answers the calling, fulfilling the call.
With your vision empowered, you can change the world anew, where dreams turn into reality and innovation comes through.